Nora, what are you doing?
I'm gonna hammer it in.
You're hammering it in there?
There!
Let's see. Ooh, that looks good.
I want to do this one.
You need a little help?
Yeah, because that's another purple. Now I'm going to hammer it in.
Okay.
You know the grossest part? Oh, my sleeve.
You.
I did it one more.
Did you really?
Should I put another one in? It's pretty tricky.
Mommy's helping me.
That's great, huh? Oh, yuck.
What
Oh,
happened?
well, Grandma's just making a mess, pretty much.
She's cleaning out her pumpkin. All right, are you going to hammer your next one in?
I did.
Okay.
Hey, this is the white dot. One more. How about green? Green, green,
A green one?